Hi everyone, we're making a Father's Day card for which we are planning to cut out a Superman. So I've taken a blue glitter foam sheet and drawn a Superman, pardon my drawing skills, but drawn a Superman here, and I've also used an initial. You can use your dad's name's first letter as well here. So we've now cut our Superman, and we've made a silver metallic outline. We've given it a silver metallic outline so that the contours are more visible because of the cape behind, otherwise it would have been a very shapeless thing. So what we've done is we've cut this pentagon, the Superman's pentagon, and we put our father's first, the name's first letter, first initial there. And my papa, my Superman, please ignore the red spots have come from my hand because I tried to paint the cape red, which didn't work for me. But if you can, please try and use the red glitter paper over here, or see if you get a really strong red paint that you can use over the blue glitter paper. I did not find red, so I used the silver metallic pen to make the cape. We hope you enjoyed this activity, and we are very sure that your father will love this Superman card. So happy Father's Day to your fathers from your side.